This is the T1S V2 ThruNite. It's got a magnetic base. I'm going to show you it in both brown and green. The turbo, it's got 1,212 lumens. High, 407 lumens. Medium, 94 lumens. Low, 7 lumens. Firefly, half a lumen. Strobe, 1,080 lumens. It is drop proof, 1.5 meters. Waterproof, 2 meters. I'm going to take it out and show you what I did with the brown one. I attached it to my lady's bike. I made a bracket. You're going to not recognize this light holder because I made it myself. No, I don't make them and sell them. I made this a long time ago for my bike, but now it's on her bike. And this is the same model, but in green. I'm going to show you this. I just took this to the lake fishing. I just got back, and on a brand new rod, on the 16th cast, you'll see what I caught. And I caught it using this light. I fished using this light. It's a great light. A lot of uses. It comes with a double clip there. A double clip, pocket clip, either way. Rechargeable. Comes with a charger. Firefly. Straight to turbo. Strobe. Cycle through. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. So without going too much more into it, I will show you it on the bike. I will show you it on a hat. I will show you it being used while fishing. There'll be a link in the details down below. I did a video on this recently, but this is a follow-up. A lot of people had a lot of questions. They wanted to see it in action a little bit more. It's a great size. It also comes with extra O-rings, your battery, lanyard, the clip, an extra USB cover. And like I said, it has a magnetic base. Pretty strong magnetic base. So check the video out. If you're interested, the link will be in the details down below. Thank you very much for watching. 16th cast on my new rod. 4-pound line. Daredevil Skeeter. Look at that. About a 14-15 inch bass. Look at that. Beautiful. Like a dog. It's been christened. Yeah. So here he goes. It's almost 15 inches. There he goes. There he is, right there. Look at him. See him right there? Yeah. ThruNite. Firefly. Low, medium, high. Turbo. Look at that. Beautiful light. Look at these baby geese. Did I mention it's waterproof? It's waterproof up to 2 meters. Drop proof up to 1.5 meters. Turbo. It's a great light. So look at this. The magnetic backs to a pole, fence post. Fishing. Right on. Look at this. Watch this. Look at this. This is a good sign. Look. You got yourself one. Yourself two. Three. Two males, one female. Four. Four. Oh, soft shell. Soft shell. Five. It's a good sign the lake's making a comeback. Right on. It's making a comeback. 6, 7. Right there. 6, 7. Right on. It's good to know. 8. Soft shell. Right there. 9. Another soft shell. Right there's where I caught my first fish on my fly rod. On a fly rod. Garcia, medalist. It got destroyed when I got hit by a car when I was 15, 16 years old. About a mile from here. Along with a lot of other gear. But that's where I caught my first bluegill on a fly rod. Power of this light, watch. Look at that. It's awesome, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the size of this shell cracker. Where'd he go? There he is. He's right there on the bottom. Watch. He's right here. Look. Watch right here. Watch. I'm almost touching him. I wonder if I can noodle him. See if I can noodle him. No. There he goes. It's a good size shell. Look at that carp right there.
Okay.
That carp. Look at, there's the tail. There's the tail right there.
Damn, I think it's big.
It's at least 10, 15 pounds, huh?
Yeah.
He's a big one. Yeah, these lights. This is ThruNite. Oh, there's another one. There's another one.
That was the one.
That's the white and black one.
That's the one that's not my one.
He had that one hooked up on that jig?
No, it was a different one. I lost it on him.
Look at that sucker. So it's in his mouth. It hit a lure.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. It is massive.
Damn.